Hello and welcome back, fellow WordPress enthusiasts. Today we are diving into the world of website customization, focusing on one of the most crucial elements, the header menu. And specifically, we will be working within the popular Woodmart theme. So grab your creativity and let's get started. So first thing first, log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Appearance tab on the left hand side. Here select menus. Now if you have not already created a menu, simply click on create a menu and give it a name. From here just click on create a new menu and give it a name. I will name mine header like header menu for clarity. And then click on create menu button. Excellent. Now let's start adding items to our menu. You can add pages, posts, custom links or even categories depending on your website structure. First of all, just select your menu. So it is already selected. Now it's time to add some pages. Then feel free to rearrange the order by simply dragging and dropping the items where you want them to appear in the menu. Once you are satisfied, do not forget to save your changes. So our header menu is updated. Now let's head over to the Manage Locations tab at the top of the page. Because here you will see different menu locations provided by your theme. In our case, we are interested in header menu location. So for that, click on Woodmart and then go to the header builder and click on edit. And from here, choose your menu and select the menu you just created from the drop down list and save changes. And like this, tell WordPress to display our newly created menu in header area. So now we created this header menu and just hit the enter button to save the changes and again click on the save header. And that's it folks, you have successfully created a header menu in the Woodmart theme. But wait, there's more. Let's head over to the front end of our website to see the magic happens. Our header menu is now beautifully displayed at the top of our website, ready for visitors to navigate through our content seamlessly. But for this website, I do not want to show this header. So for that, go back to your WordPress dashboard. And from here, simply choose another menu. Like for that, we have a main menu and click on save and again save header. And then visit your site to see how it now looks like. So that's the main menu for this website. And there you have it. Creating a header menu in the Woodmart theme is as easy as pie. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. Until next time, happy website building!